The movement of a drone seems quite complicated as it has 4 or more motors to enable all movements. But in reality, it's quite simple and intuitive. The drone can move with 4 degrees of freedom, which means it can translate in 3 directions and rotate in 1. As mentioned earlier, 2 propellers of a quadcopter rotate in clockwise direction and the other 2 rotate in the counterclockwise direction. This generates a zero angular momentum that allows the drone to stay stationary rather than rotating in one direction. Let's have a look at the translation movements first. First, we will run all the motors at the same speed that will generate the lift greater than the weight of the drone. This will cause the drone to move up. This is the first translational movement. If we want to go down, we will decrease the speed of all motors so that the lift is less than the weight of the drone. If we want to hover in the air, we will change the speed of the motors so that the lift is equal to the weight of the drone. This will allow the drone to hover above the ground. Now coming to the second translation, if we want to move left, we will reduce the speed of the left motors and increase the speed of the right motors. To move towards the right, we will decrease the speed of the right motors and increase the speed of the left motors. Similarly, we can translate in the third direction, which is moving forwards and backwards. By decreasing the speed of the front motors and increasing the speed of the back motors, the drone will move forward. For moving backwards, we can decrease the speed of the back motors and increase the speed of the front motors. Since 2 motors are rotating in clockwise and the other 2 are rotating in counterclockwise direction, we can use this knowledge to rotate our drone. To rotate the drone clockwise, we will decrease the speed of the motors moving clockwise and increase the speed of the motors moving counterclockwise. Similarly, if we want to rotate counterclockwise, we will decrease the speed of the counterclockwise motors and increase the speed of the clockwise motors. Now that we understand how the drone flies, let's have a look at the drone we will be using for this course.